In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get Defender Mastery in Ability Wars. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly acquire Defender and also the Defender Mastery ability or badge in Ability Wars. So, for the actual Defender ability, you will need to get 11,000 punches, so you will be able to preview it in the lobby, and as you can see, the requirements end up being 11,000 punches and the Defender badge. So once you acquire those, you will be able to use the ability listed here. For the Defender badge, you will need to beat Wave 10 of the Waves game mode. So after you acquire 11,000 punches and you beat Wave 10, you will be able to actually use the ability. Now, for the actual answer to the question in the title of this video, for you to unlock the Defender Mastery, you will need to kill Ostrom Deus, which is a boss. This is a reference to Defender's source material, a game about killing various bosses, and afterwards you will be able to use the Defender Mastery. Unfortunately, I won't be able to showcase it in this video, but as you can see on screen, this is what Ostrom Deus looks like. It yields the Omni weapon, and when summoned by one or more defenders, it engages in a large boss battle. This is a special boss which you can find inside of the Astral Dimension. The Astral Dimension is a hidden location found inside the walls of the pool on the classic map, the walls of the Oasis of the desert map, and it is accessible by obtaining the key. You will reveal the portal inside, and like I said, you can find the boss Ostrom Deus in there. Once you defeat the boss, then you and the other defenders who participated will be able to get the Defender Mastery. So to summarize this whole process, first, you will need to beat Wave 10 of the game mode waves so you can get the Defender badge, and afterwards just get to 11,000 punches. This is going to get you the actual ability, and for you to get the Mastery, you will have to kill Ostrom Deus. I hope I was able to help you on how to get Defender Mastery in Ability Wars. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.